Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make a shooter game. So we're going to make a Scratch Cat shooter game. So right now, at the moment in time, you guys will see that I have this black screen on the back, or this gray screen on the back. Then I have movement upgrades. Then I have the where this is movement upgrade, which is on here, and then I have all this stuff. So today we're gonna get that to work. But first we're gonna go through the costumes. So the upgrade button, just a simple upgrade button. Then over here I have upgrade XP count. So I have so I have 20 XP. Of course these numbers can be fidgeted with. 25 XP, 30 XP, 35 XP, and then full, which it says cannot upgrade because you already have 4 upgrades. So we have that, and then over here we have our upgrade counter. So we have full upgrade, 3 upgrades, 2 upgrades, 1 upgrade, and no upgrade. I added an S at the end. No upgrades. And then over on this over here, we have just our upgrade menu. And then we have, for the upgrade menu, we have this upgrade BG. So you can just write this as upgrade BG. So to give you guys a minute, pause the video, and make all these be whatever color you want. So guys, first of all, I've got to recolor these because these colors don't look good. So I'm gonna do mine at 58, 80, 100, or 60, 100. So now and then these, I'm just gonna set the colors for these fills. We're gonna set these to 60, 100, 100. So let's just change that onto all these. By the way, if you all can't already tell, this all took me like 2 minutes to do. So it shouldn't take too much longer. So yeah, you guys can customize the colors as you want them to be. So let's 60, 100, 100. So there you go. So now I have my stuff colored. So now we're going to get actually into the coding. So first of all, we don't have a button here yet to actually open this upgrade menu, but that's because we're just working on the upgrade menu right now. So we're going to need a event. When I receive, we can say, let's call this upgrades. We can call this upgrade underscore menu open. Upgrade underscore menu open. So when I receive that, let's quickly just get rid of message 1. So now that's not deleted message 1 for some reason. So when I receive that, this is going to take a lot of time to do. Mainly just because I'm going to do a bunch of different ones of these broadcasts with different numbers. So upgrade underscore menu open 2, and just not all that, and just copy that and click OK. So since this is going to be in the very back, we are going to, first of all, go into looks, we're going to show. Then we're going to go to the front layer. And then right up here, you'll see change color effects by 25. We're going to want to grab that and click on the color with the drop down arrow. Click ghost. So now you can say change our ghost effects. So I'm going to set, so you don't have to get this change. Change just to see how much you want. So now you're also going to want to get a set ghost effect to 0. So for say, let's go change it by 80. So we can click that. And it's dark, but not dark enough. So we can click that again. So maybe let's try change it by 50. Now that's perfect for what I'm trying to do. So we're going to do set ghost effect to 50. And get rid of that. Then add this to here. So then whenever this opens, so for say let's hide everything, including this, and then we go down, or we go up to here, and we say broadcast this, it opens. But what our issue is it doesn't open anything else. And if we are to open anything else with this, and then do this exact same code, except for the ghost effect, it'll have a fight between who goes to the front layer. So we're going to need to then put this code in here and drag it to the upgrade. So we're going to grab upgrade menu, open 2, and we're just going to grab that ghost effect out. Then new message, I'm going to paste the original, and voila. So just do that for the exact, just do the exact same thing for all of these. Wait, now let's, no. Okay, so that's 4. And just keep doing that for all of these. And then you're going to want to drag this into here and get rid of the broadcast at the very end. So now, let's hide everything. Now if we do this, you can see everything opens. But we don't have a way of closing it. So that's going to come in a paint, and then do close, get a box, bring that to the middle, drag it down to here. I usually like to put mine a little bit off of it. It makes it look a little bit better. And then you're going to want to put a text saying close, and make sure that that text is black. So now, so we're going to do a when this sprite is clicked, broadcast, upgrade underscore, actually we can just do this, menu, and then close. And we also need to add this into here. So this does here actually need a broadcast at the end. So make sure to do open 6. When this receives open 6, it'll go to the front layer. So let's just do that. So now we're going to need broadcast, upgrade menu, close, or upgrade menu, close, and hide. So all of this is literally just going to be, no, it's not going to be the exact same. So we need to do it so that when I receive upgrade menu or upgrade underscore menu close, go to looks, hide, and just paste that into all these other than our close, because we already have the hide in there. So now if I click this, it'll close everything. But if I reopen it, let's just grab both of these buttons. Let's just grab that button. So open. If I do this, everything will open. If I do that, everything will close. Open, close. Open, close. So there you go. There is the opening and closing part of this done. Now we're going to add it so that this actual movement upgrade works. So to start with that, we're going to start all in our upgrade movement bar. So clean up. So we're going to go to variables, and we're going to make a new variable called movement speed. And then we're also going to need to make a new variable, this is going to be for later, called xp. I don't make a new variable, but rename the variable to xp. So now we have movement speed. So we're going to need to go to events. And for right now, we're just going to put a when green flag clicked. Then it's going to go forever. If, so we're going to need to grab 3, or no, yeah, wait. We're going to need to grab 4 ifs, and then, or if else's, and then 1 if. Put these inside the forever. And we're going to need costumes. So this first one is going to be no upgrades. This second one here is going to be 1 upgrade. Then 2 upgrades. Then 3 upgrades. And then full upgrades. So it's currently set this to no upgrades. And you'll see nothing happens because we don't have any if variables filled in. So we're going to need movement speed. We're going to need to go to operations and grab this. So 0. So if movement speed equals 0. And then just change this up by 1 for every one of these that we have. So then this is going to forever. Now if I change movement speed by 1, you're going to see the bubbles are going to fill in. So yeah. Now you're going to see here, in here, we have 5 sprites. So basically you're going to need to do the exact same thing from this. So I would say just grab this and drag it over. Then what we're going to need to do is change these so that it switches to that. So I can re-click that flag. Well, let's close that, and then let's reopen it. So now, if I change it, you can see it changes the XP amount. And that says can't upgrade at the end. So that there is that little bit done. Now the upgrade button is a tiny bit harder. to get working. I would say. So let's also just test this. If I do that, close this, hides. If I reopen it, yep, stays the exact same. So the upgrade button's a teensy bit harder, I would say. It's not much harder. So we're gonna need to grab XP and then 2 changes. And we're gonna need to set 1 to XP. And for example, this first upgrade is -20. And you're just going to need to duplicate this for however many upgrades you have. So for this, for me, I've got 4 upgrades. Then do -20, -25, -30. Whoopsies, it's 20. -30 and -35. Then we're going to need a if else, if else, if else, and an if. Then just drag all these into there. I'm going to also need the movement speed variable. Then we're going to need operators. So if XP equals or XP is greater than, and then for our first upgrade it's 20 and 20. And movement speed equals 0. Then it's going to do this. So we're going to duplicate that into all this and then change these. So this is going to be 30, 30, 2. And this is going to be 35, 35, and 3. And then we're going to put a if this sprite, or when this sprite is clicked. So now you can say, I don't want to click that, or else that will move. I don't believe I have a resetting system in the works right now. So we're going to go to C project page. So now you can say, I can click this, and nothing will happen. If I go inside here, actually, let's make this work later. So then if I go into here, and I go to variables, and I go change XP by, for sure, 300, I can upgrade this. And you can see it'll actually subtract the XP. So if I show the XP variable, you'll see I no longer have 300. And if I click this, nothing happens to our movement speed variable. So let's just set everything back to 0. And let's get a reset system in the works. So we're going to need 2 sets. So movement speed. And we are going to need a broadcast menu close. Upgrade menu close. We're going to need a broadcast reset. And then when R key is pressed, it will broadcast reset. So most of this here will just automatically reset with that. But we're going to make sure that this hides when it receives reset. Because currently this won't hide when it receives reset. So now for say I open this, but I want to reset. I press R, everything hides. So that is the basis of our first upgrade system, or upgrade. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.